Hello peers, today we are going to learn how to get refund from Xsolla. So let's get started and watch the video till the end. First check if you're eligible. Always make sure your purchase meets Xsolla's refund policy such as item not received, duplicate purchases, or faulty or defective product. If you're eligible from one of these, then log into Xsolla wallet. For this, go to your Xsolla wallet and ensure the purchase appear in your purchases section. If not, you can manually add the purchase. Then submit refund request. For this, use the refund form in your wallet to request a refund. If you cannot add the purchase, you just have to email them on their given email. Now, if you have physical products, return the item unused and in original packaging to the provided return address. You will need to cover the return shipping cost. The processing time in refunds are usually sent to the original payment method within up to 10 business days. But there are some restrictions as refunds are not available for activated software or games, minted NFTs, and used digital content. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.